Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. English podcast. I'm Emily, and I'm here with the fantastic Paul. Hi, Paul. How's it going?
Hi, Emily. I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. It's always a pleasure to join you and our wonderful listeners. And I'm really excited about today's topic because it's something so many English learners struggle with.
Me too, Paul. Today, we're talking about a very common frustration. I can understand English perfectly, but when I speak, nothing comes out. If that sounds like you, trust me, you're not alone.
Exactly. It's that strange feeling of knowing the words are in your head, but they just don't want to come out of your mouth. You watch movies, understand the dialogues, and then freeze in real life.
But the good news? This is a normal stage in language learning, and today we'll help you break through it.
Understanding and speaking are two completely different skills. Understanding is receptive. You receive information. Speaking is productive. You must produce words, structure them, and pronounce them.
It's like the difference between listening to music and playing an instrument. You can love the song, but playing it requires coordination and practice.
Many learners spend years studying grammar and vocabulary, but very little time using the language. So your brain knows the rules, but your mouth isn't trained to speak them.
It's like studying swimming videos for 2 years but never getting into the pool.
This is huge. Learners often freeze because they're afraid to sound silly, make grammar mistakes, or be misunderstood. Mistakes aren't failures, they're steps in the learning process. Every native speaker made mistakes too.
Sometimes learners know more English than they think, but lack the courage to use it.
Confidence grows through consistent practice, not through perfection.
Here are powerful, actionable strategies. Don't aim for big conversations yet. Begin with simple phrases.
Hello. How are you? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Master the basics first.
Even 10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Consistency builds fluency.
Yes, talk to yourself. Narrate your actions. I'm cooking. I'm walking to work. I'm washing the dishes. Describe what you see. I see a red car. The weather is beautiful.
Don't try to impress people with complicated vocabulary. Simple English is clear English.
Your goal is not perfect grammar. It's clear communication. If people understand you, you're already succeeding.
Every mistake is feedback. It shows you what to improve next.
Surround yourself with English. Movies, podcasts, songs, YouTube, books. Even passive listening helps your brain get used to the language.
Shadowing means repeating what you hear like an echo. It improves pronunciation, rhythm, and natural flow.
Pretend you're in real-life situations. Restaurant. I'd like to order. Can I have? How much is this? Hotel? I have a reservation. What time is breakfast? First meeting? Where are you from? What do you do? Look at a picture and describe everything in simple sentences. I see a boy. He is running. The sky is blue. This builds fluency fast.
Keep it short.
Yesterday, I went to the beach. I swam. I ate ice cream. It was a good day.
Every correct sentence is progress. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different pace.
Find community.
Practice with other learners, online or in person.
Remember your purpose.
Why are you learning English? Travel, job, education, meeting new people. Let your goal motivate you.
Believe in yourself. This journey takes time, but you can do it. Fluency is absolutely possible.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope these strategies help you overcome the speaking barrier and grow your confidence.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the Mr. English channel, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment. Tell us, what English speaking challenge do you struggle with the most?
Thank you so much for tuning in. Keep practicing, stay patient, and enjoy the journey.
Happy learning, and see you in the next episode. Enjoy!